I mean, psychology is one of the most interesting sciences, hands down. It's the study of human behaviour and people. I can't express how much I enjoy it.
You may have heard of a law conversion masters, but you can now convert to a career in psychology through our one-year MSc program without any prior knowledge of psychology needed. Can animals use language? What is intelligence? Why do we remember some things and forget others? What causes mental health problems? Our MSc in Psychology at Cardiff University is accredited by the British Psychological Society and offers a unique opportunity to explore these fundamental questions.
If someone asked me why they should take the degree at Cardiff, I'd say it's because it opens so many doors. So you could come from a background that's not related to psychology, and you could take that with you and go down the clinical line, which a lot of people are very interested in. Or, as myself, you could take the research line.
The one-year full-time course will see you delve deep into areas like developmental and biological psychology, uncovering the roots of attention, thought and behaviour. You'll examine the intricacies of social psychology, exploring how we interact with each other and are influenced by group dynamics. And you'll explore the challenges and advancements in clinical psychology and developmental psychology, gaining a deeper understanding of well-being and mental health.
Everybody is really interesting, like everybody's got different experiences and like they're specializing in different things. So when I came in, I thought that I would not be someone who's interested in research, but after coming here and seeing so many people who are doing different kinds of research, that sort of made me feel like, okay, maybe that's an option. So you just see different people, like different professors with different fields of interest, and it excites you.
The opportunity to go on a 12-week placement is a key element of our MSc program, giving you a chance to experience how psychology is used in the real world, in clinical, forensic, occupational or research settings.
It's well structured, it's busy, but it teaches you everything you need to know. It sets you up with a BPS accreditation, which is an amazing thing to have moving forward, particularly if you want to go into a career as a psychologist. All the topics are interesting, it's led well. I can't really sing its praises enough, if I'm honest.